video, we are going to go over our demo estimate for our Myrtle Beach Law Enforcement Center Office and Clerk of Courts project. So, here we go. All right, so this individual project had a few alternatives and, some pretty good plans. All right, so let me take all the colors off. All right, so the first thing we did is now we had what? Base bid and two alternatives. Yep. And so what I did is outline in the takeoff, base, all one, all two, okay, and that's all two. We'll check it out, make sure. All right, and so first thing in the base bid, we did removing the walls. Very little, okay. We removed some doors in the base bid. We had to remove the storefront, and in the base bid, remove wall base. Okay. Base bid, we had to remove the flooring and the ceiling tile. So same area, top and bottom. Okay, so those were the base bid items. Okay, so now let's go to the alternative. Alternative one, they wanted us to remove wall base and the flooring. Alternative one. Okay. Now let's take that off. Alternative two says remove low wood wall, but it's not on the plan. So, as far as how big it is or whatever, but it's on the takeoff. Alternative two, remove the wall base. Alternative two, remove the flooring. And service counter and the reflective ceiling plan just gave you the area for those things. Those are elevation views. It was kind of odd. Okay, on that and what those dimensions were. Okay, and then that still to me doesn't look like that, so I'm not really sure, but it's just showing you what it looks like. I doubled that size. Okay, so this one wasn't, very difficult. It's just like it's unclear where one thing starts and the other thing stops. But once you do a walkthrough or whatever, you'll be able to do that. But remember, the three alternatives, they're broken down in the estimate. If you have any questions, make sure you email me at education@sfjohnsonconsulting.com.